it's me, Keandra, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about laser hair removal. And I came across the Kenzzi on YouTube, and this is not a sponsored video, by the way. I did open the DHL packaging, so I just wanted to unbox the device with you guys and pray that I get amazing results. I have gotten laser hair removal before, but I did not finish the treatments, and it was working, but I just didn't finish. I think I did a total of 3 treatments down here and then 3 treatments under my arms, and it was working. Like, I was seeing results, but I stopped going because life just gets in the way. So I am here to share with you my new at-home laser device. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is what the back looks like. It is a IPL handset, and let me just tell you guys what IPL stands for. And it says it stands for Intense Pulse Light. This modern technology aims to remove unwanted hair, slow the aging process by reducing wrinkles, and protect the skin tone by treating blemishes. So we're just going to open it up. Let's see. Okay. Something fell out. Okay. So, damn, they got everything like sealed. This is what the box looks like. This is the back. So let's just open it up and see. Okay. So this is what the device looks like. And it also has power cord. So I'm guessing you take the power cord. I'm not gonna do this on camera just because I don't know what it feels like yet, and I don't want y'all to see me acting a fool. That's the device. Something fell out. This is just a little quick start guide, and it has precautions, the skincare chart again on the back. So I'm guessing once I plug it in, the power button is on the back. Just turn it on. The settings will show up on the front. So I plan to do like updates for you guys because I'm really curious to see how this works, and I would not want you guys to buy this device if I don't get any results. But everybody's different. People's hair grows at different cycles, different times. It might work for you, it might not work for me, but I hope it works. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can send me a message, or you can follow me on Instagram and ask me if you have any questions about the device. But thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.